In this video, we will look together at how to create a multiple-choice question in German on a specific topic. This solution is particularly useful for managers of small companies who want to create quizzes for their employees on learning content, for example. We will use Google Colab, a web-based development environment that allows us to quickly and easily execute code or collaborate with other programmers. At the beginning of the code, we will install the necessary libraries that we need to create the quizzes. However, we will not mention the names of these libraries in order to focus on the solution and its benefits. The problem we want to solve is the creation of multiple-choice questions in German on a specific topic. The manual creation of such questions can be very time-consuming. Our solution uses a language model that is able to generate such questions automatically. We use a technology that allows us to format the output of the answer in a predefined structure and return it as a pydantic object. We will define a class that contains the desired data structure for the quiz questions. We will then use a parser and inject instructions into the prompt template. The parser will ensure that the output of the answer is formatted in a fixed structure and returned as a pydantic object. We will also use a prompt template that creates a multiple-choice question in German for a user request. Next, we will use a language model to generate the quiz questions. We will use an infinite loop where we ask the user to enter a topic. If the user enters exit, the loop will end. Otherwise, the model will generate a multiple-choice question on the topic entered and output the question and the possible answers. The user is then prompted to enter the correct answer. If the user's answer matches the correct answer, an explanation of the correct answer is displayed. Otherwise, the user is shown the correct answer and an explanation. At this point, we would like to give you a brief interim information. If you would like to develop your own AI solution for your company, you can now register on crowdcompany.net for just €1. This will give you access to a solution that allows you to quickly and easily develop your own AI solution without having to invest a lot of time or money. We would like to mention that API keys are used in this video for illustrative purposes, but they are not real. To summarize, in this video we learned how to create a multiple-choice question in German on a specific topic. We have used Google Colab, a language model, and output formatting technology to implement this solution. We hope you will find this solution useful in your organization. If you have any questions about this video or our solution, please feel free to contact us by email. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.